दोस्तों, अगर आपको मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस, एजुकेशनल वीडियोस, इंग्लिश स्पोकन वीडियोस और सोशल इश्यूज़ पर वीडियोस चाहिए तो मेरे इस चैनल लाइफ चेंजर पे अब्दुल शकूर खान को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और आगे शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।
जो टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वो बहुत ही अहम और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है और वो टॉपिक है हाउ टू बिकम फ्लुएंट इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हाउ टू बिकम एक्सपर्ट इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हाउ टू फ्लोरिश इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, हाउ टू मूव इन स्पीकिंग English language. These are the questions which regularly raise in our minds. Here I have 5 points through which you can become fluent in speaking English language. The first point is now that is a very important and golden principle that number 1, speak and speak. If you want to become expert in that language, then you must have the practice in speaking that language, and you must have to do the practice on regular basis. So much you have to understand that if you want to be expert in speaking language, then you must have to understand that there is no magic pill, there is no magic gun through which you can target that language. There is no any system through which you can get that language. There is only one and important rule, that is practice, practice, practice. इसी तरह एक फारसी का मकूला है जो इस लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में हेल्प कर सकता है। गर मी तू खाई खुश नवीस, मी नवीसो मी नवीसो मी नवीस। अगर तू चाहता है कि तू खुश खत लिखे तो लिखता रहे, लिखता रहे, लिखता रहे। यानी बार बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो तुम्हारी राइटिंग बहुत ही खूबसूरत हो जाएगी। प्रिंसिपल्स लैंग्वेज लर्निंग के अंदर भी यूज होता है कि आप जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा आप बोलेंगे, जितनी repetitively you do the practice, so much you become fluent in that language. Now, there is a second principle. Whenever we are going to say that you must have to do practice on regular basis, then you must have to speak that language. But through which you can speak, I'm going to say that you must have a practice in that language. Then the question raises in our mind, how we do the practice if we do not have any partner. So there is a solution, that you can get a regular speaking partner through conversation English websites. You can get the speaking partner through these websites. You can become friend. You can ask that I want to speak in that language, I want to conversate in that language, and you will have a lot of friends through which you can conversate, through which you can interact, and through this you can get the practice by a native language speaker. So I will suggest you get a regular speaking partner through conversation exchange website. So here I will suggest you get a regular speaking partner conversation exchange website, that is read, watch and listen to English in different contexts. How much you read, how much you watch and listen the English language, so much you become fluent, so much you become expert in driving and in controlling that language, how you become perfect in that language. So here I will suggest you at number 3, that is read, watch and listen the English language through different context. Through this you can get and involved in each and every kind of context. Now there is a 4th point, and that is learn to think in English. Whatever you do in your daily life, what practices, what activities, what works, what actions you do in your life, you must have to think in English, and you must have to do and try to speak, try to express your ideas, your views, your thoughts in that language. For example, if you are going to bazaar to get some books from the bookshop, then you must have to speak it in English language. Store, then you must have the vocabularies, thoughts about that conversation. For example, Same if you are going at a general store or the medical store at the railway station as well as in at different point, you must have to think in that situation. Through this you can become expert. And this is also the principle to become a good teacher. How much you reflect, how much you think, and how much you ponder and reflect your language, so much you become expert. This is the 4 point. Now we come to the 5 point, and that is have a fun. Whatever you are going to do in your life, you must have a fun. Because whenever we become conscious that we are learning the language, whenever we जब भी हम जिंदगी में कोई काम करने के बारे में कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं तो मुख्तलिफ किस्म के खौफ, वसवसा और डर हमारी लाइफ में आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. हम उसको उस काम को करने के बजाय उस काम को कल पे छोड़ने शुरू कर देते हैं. सो आप अगर लैंग्वेज में एक्सपर्टी हासिल करना चाहते हैं, हैव फन, हैव फन, हैव फन. आप एक फन समझें. यू मस्ट हैव टू टेक दैट target as a fun. When, for example, losing weight is a very crucial exercise. When we are going to do it consciously, we do not do it. We do not practice. But whenever we take it as a fun, we take it as a playing game, then easily we can lose our weight. So is the case with us. So these are the 5 points through which you can become fluent in English speaking. Number 1, speak, speak, speak. Or in other words, do the practice. How to do the practice? Number 2, get a regular speaking partner through the conversation exchange websites. At number 3, read, watch, and listen the English language through different contexts. Now, number 4, and that is learn to think in English language. Number 5, have fun. So these are the 5 points through which you can get the proficiency, by which you become fluent in that language. Okay, bye bye.